Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor and welcome to the playlist of the tutorial videos of our product. In this video, we are going to introduce our newly added page, Macro Indicators, and we will discuss the indicators shown in this page. So let's switch to the page, Macro Indicators. You can click here and click on the Macro Indicators page. So friends, before I start the description of this page, let me give you a brief background. Friends, being in line with the objectives of our dashboard, which is Stocks Factor dashboard, to provide you pure data insights, we try to bring the best indicators which would really help you in taking effective trading or investment decisions. We constantly work on providing the relevant or selective key indicators which would really help you in understanding market directions. Hence, this particular page also is the output of the research put by our team in providing you the filtered metrics or indicators in the form of visualization or charts to help you understand the dynamics of the market and how the money flows in and out of our markets. As you already know, our Indian stock markets are part of emerging markets, and the inflow in emerging markets by foreign institutional investors depend on a number of factors. But some factors are more relevant than other factors, and we have filtered those relevant factors in our dashboard in this particular page. So let's start with the first two indicators shown in the form of charts, which shows us the correlation between the Nifty price and the US dollar index, and also the FII inflow and the US dollar index correlation. For those who do not know what is US dollar index, let me give you a brief explanation. The US dollar index is a measure of the value of the US dollar relative to the value of a basket of currencies of the majority of the US most significant trading partners. This index is similar to other trade weighted indexes which also use the exchange rates from some other major currencies. The US dollar index is used to measure the value of the dollar against a basket of 6 world currencies. And what are those 6 world currencies? Those are Euro, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, British pound, and Swedish krona. So friends, in totality, the US dollar index gives you the weightage of the US dollar against the top 6 world major currencies. So friends, as you can see on the top left graph, the relation between the Nifty price and the US dollar index correlation. Now here you can see there is a perfect negative correlation. I mean perfect in the sense there is a high negative correlation between the Nifty price and the US dollar index. So as you can see, as soon as the US dollar index falls, the Nifty rises. So you can see that the blue line Nifty rising and the US dollar index which have been falling constantly for a period of time for the last 6 months. You can see that for the last 6 months, the dollar index has been falling constantly in a trend line and the Nifty has risen. So this is a very high negative correlation, and which tells us that as soon as the dollar index falls, the Nifty price rises. And this you have to keep track so that you can take effective trading or investment decisions for your portfolio, and even if you want to shuffle your portfolio, because as soon as the dollar index falls, you will see a rise in the Nifty and the inflows of FIIs. So now coming to the right graph, you can see on the top FII inflows in crores and the US dollar index correlation. So you see as soon as the dollar index falls, the FII inflows increases in the emerging markets like India. So you see a very high negative correlation. That's as soon as the dollar index is falling, you see the FII inflows immediately increases in Indian markets. So you can see as there is a rise and then the FII's outflow takes place. That means that FIIs are pulling money out of the markets as soon as the dollar index start rising. So you can see the trend. Now from the past 2 months, you already saw that in the November and December month, there has been a high inflow of FII's money. So how you can see there, so you see that continuously the dollar index has been falling. That's why the FIIs have been pulling money into the Indian markets. Now friends, what is the reason behind this? Why Nifty has a high negative correlation with US dollar index, or why FIIs put money in the Indian markets as soon as the dollar index falls? We'll discuss this in detail in a separate video in which we will understand this using historical data and proven analysis. I would highly recommend you to watch that video in order to understand the reasons for this correlation and how it affects your investments. You would find the link of that video in the description of this video. Now coming to the bottom two graphs of the page. So as you can see, the following two graphs shows the Nifty correlation with major global assets, which is USD INR exchange rate and crude oil. So we can see that on the left side, we have the graph of Nifty price versus USD INR correlation. So above we saw the Nifty correlation with the US dollar index. Now we are seeing the Nifty correlation with USD INR, that is the exchange rate. So you can see that again we find a negative correlation of Nifty with the USD INR. So you can see that as soon as the USD INR decreases majorly, most of the times you will find Nifty going up because it is highly correlated with the US dollar index. But sometimes what happens is the exchange rate may change due to a lot of factors, but major time you will find that the trend has a negative correlation. So you will see that when USD INR falls or the rupee becomes strong, USD INR falling means that the rupee is becoming strong against the dollar. Then obviously you will see FIIs pumping more money into Indian markets, and as a result of that you will find Nifty rising. Some of the times they do index management, and some of the times what happens is that the Nifty may not give that much rally, but overall it will be on the positive bias side. And sometimes, as you have seen in the past 6 months or 3 months, the Nifty has rallied so much because only of the FIIs inflows. They have done unprecedented inflows into the Indian markets in the past 2 months, which we have never seen in the Indian history. So now coming to the last graph, you can see Nifty price and the crude oil price correlation. You can see there is a high positive correlation between the two. As soon as the crude oil price rises, the Nifty also rises. Most of the times you can see there is a high correlation. So friends, these are the 4 graphs which you need to keep track of in order to maintain your portfolio who are long-term investors or medium-term investors, means 6 months to you have a 2 years or 3 years horizon, because these graphs would tell you when the trend is about to change, because the US dollar index first of all plays a very major role, and apart from that the USD INR also fluctuates based on the US dollar index only. So US dollar index is the main indicator which you need to follow, and always check the correlation of Nifty with the US dollar index. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions regarding these macro indicators, please post your questions on the comment section and we will definitely answer your questions. And friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notifications of our daily and weekly market analysis videos, derivative analysis tutorial videos, and the Stocks Factor dashboard tutorial videos. And if you want to get the access of our dashboard, you can check the about section of our channel. We have given our mail ID in the about section, and you can drop us a simple mail to get the link of the dashboard. See you in another video. Take care and goodbye.